Hello ka-Barbie! Welcome back to my channel! For today's vlog, I'll take you on a step-by-step international flight guide through our Bangkok trip. From navigating the airport, check-in procedures, breezing through security, to soaring through the skies, and finally arriving to your destination. Ensure that you arrive at the airport 4 to 5 hours dahil international flight tayo mga ka-Barbie. Kailangan ng time for check-in, security checks, and other airport procedures.
Hi!
Huwag kang mag-hi dyan.
Hey!
Sino mo si Mama? Ate na
Ma?
Napakatagal mo. Kanina ako. Girl, malapit na ako magbaliw.
Matagal ka ng baliw, wag kang ano dyan.
Ako na po, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Register at etravel.gov.ph within 72 hours prior to your departure in the Philippines dahil hindi na tinatanggap ang departure cards sa immigration. Proceed to the TIEZA counters where you have to pay travel tax amounting to 1,620 pesos. Check your flight status and proceed to your airline check-in. Just convert a small amount of Thailand baht and bring enough peso with you.
1,080 or 1,000.
Pass through security and immigration smoothly by following the guidelines provided by the airport authorities. Make sure you have all the necessary documents readily available. For tourists, syempre dahil bibili lang tayo ng mango sticky rice at magbabakasyon lang tayo doon. No photos and videos from this point onwards. Immigration tips. Ready your passport, boarding pass, QR code, and necessary documents for traveling or leisure. Diyos me, wag nyo nang dalhin yung yearbook at diploma nyo, lalo tayong mapagkakamalang magtatrabaho sa Thailand. Charot. Be polite. Border control officers ang kausap natin ka-Barbie. Huwag tayong palengkera, mapagkakamalan tayong walang breeding. Charot. Call them ma'am or sir, hindi ate or kuya. Kayo nga sa shop, pag nagpagkakamalang tindera, nagagalit eh. Charot. Just answer the question that was asked. Lagi niyong tatandaan na sa bibig na uhuli ang isda, pero pwede rin sa body. Charot. Huwag masyadong kabahan ka-Barbie dahil baka kabahan din ng officer sa'yo. Charot. Gaya ng pagsunod natin sa immigration laws ng ibang bansa, ganun din lalo dapat sa bansang pinanggalingan natin.
Hi guys! Andito na kami sa gate 104. Mamaya, anong oras ang boarding natin?
45?
12:45 pa ang boarding natin. So, bumili muna yung dalawa ng food ng McDo dahil patay gutom na kami lahat. Ayun na yung plane namin. Kasi wala. Nagba-vlog lang ako. Kasi baka mamaya wala na naman akong vlog. Wala na naman akong vlog.
Wala naman siyang content.
Wala naman akong
Content
content.
creator na walang content.
Sayang hindi ko naloko yung
Influencer na bad influence.
puro ano lang. Puro inarte na lang.
Dapat po meron din kayong category para sa mga video lang ng video at arte lang ng arte. So,
Like me.
please comment down below.
Proceed to your boarding gate and wait for your flight to be called. Kasi minsan, aside from the late flight, ay nagga-gate change sila. Tapos, sorry lang, charot.
HaliKENAH.
Once you've settled in at nakapag-picture and video ka na for your social media, pwede ka nang matulog.
Gutom na ang person.
Hi guys. Polo mo ka. Ito na kami sa plane. Ayan si AJ. Ang pipindutin. Ayan si Ai, TikTok. Ayun ang person. Si Kokay.
Yes po, opo, mauna kang tumayo at makipag-gitgitan sa plane dahil mauuna ka ng mga 1 minute bumaba. Charot.
Hi! Sawadi sumnida.
Upon arrival at Suvarnabhumi Airport, follow the signs to immigration. Pero bumili na kami ng SIM card dito since madadaanan naman. And there you have it, Ka-Barbie. I hope you have a stress-free flight with this step-by-step guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travels. See you! HaliKENAH!